Hey guys, welcome to the new video. Today in this video we are going to see that how can you use regex, that is regular expressions from Python. So what you have to do is, firstly let's move in our VS Code, and then you can go here in file tab and then open folder. You can open your required folder. I will be going with this particular folder only. Now go here and create a new file, that is app.py. Then what you have to do is just import RE, that is regular expressions library. Then we will be doing some basic checks from this particular library. What we will do is we will check a phone number, that it is a valid phone number or not. So let's go with this. Phone equals, we can take this example, but we have to remove these hyphens. Then what you have to do is, okay, then what you have to do is, firstly let's fix this error. There was some misspell out there. Okay, then if re dot match, just remove this one. Okay, since we are matching only numbers that it ranges from 0 to 9, so we are using D here, and uh it should be only like 10 digits exactly. So there is a 10 out there. Okay, then what you have to print is, this is a valid phone number if both these conditions match. Else, else invalid phone number. Print invalid phone number. Let's go with this one. Run Python file. You can see that it is a valid phone number. Now, we can do one more thing, like uh, if you want to hide some data in a particular sentence, like I will be typing a sentence out there. Okay, so sentence will be, my OTP is, my OTP is 123456, like this one. Now what you have to do is, we will perform an action, that is hidden equals. Actually, I have to hide this one, this OTP. So hidden equals re.sub, and then what we will do is, okay, this will be a single asterisk here. We will replace all these numbers by this particular asterisk. Okay, then what you have to do is, you have to print this one. You can see that our output is getting, you can say, encoded or like hidden. So yeah guys, that's all for this video. Now let's see you next time.